Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things health and wellness. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for your overall health: protein. Protein is a macronutrient that plays a vital role in building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall body function. We all know protein is essential, but are you getting enough? Many people are unaware of how much protein they actually need and whether their diet is meeting those needs. In this video, we're going to explore the top 10 signs and symptoms of protein deficiency. From unexpected cravings for sugary or salty foods to noticeable changes in your hair and nails, we'll cover it all. Protein deficiency can lead to brittle nails, hair loss, and even skin problems. Make sure you stick around until the end, because we're going to discuss simple ways to ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. We'll provide tips on incorporating more protein into your diet, whether you're a meat eater, vegetarian, or vegan. So let's get started and make sure you're on the right track to a healthier you. Ever find yourself constantly reaching for sugary snacks or craving carbs? It's a common scenario for many of us. You might think it's just a sweet tooth acting up, but there's more to it than meets the eye. You might think it's just a sweet tooth, but it could actually be your body crying out for more protein. Yes, those intense cravings for sweets and carbs might be a signal that your body is lacking this essential nutrient. When you don't consume enough protein, your blood sugar levels can become unstable, leading to those intense cravings. This instability can make you feel tired, irritable, and constantly in need of a quick sugar fix. Protein helps slow down sugar absorption, keeping your energy levels balanced and those cravings at bay. Including adequate protein in your diet can help maintain steady blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of those sudden urges for sugary snacks. So next time you're reaching for that cookie, consider grabbing a handful of nuts. Nuts are not only a great source of protein, but also provide healthy fats and fiber, which can help keep you full and satisfied for longer. Or a protein bar instead. Protein bars are convenient and can be a tasty way to curb those cravings while giving your body the protein it needs. Remember, a balanced diet with sufficient protein can make a big difference in managing your cravings and overall health. If you're working hard at the gym but not seeing the muscle growth you'd expect, protein deficiency could be the culprit. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. When you don't consume enough, your body might start breaking down muscle for energy, which is the opposite of what you want. This can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and slower recovery times. Make sure you're fueling your workouts with enough protein to support muscle growth and repair. Our skin, hair, and nails are primarily made up of protein, so it's no surprise that a deficiency can show up in these areas. If you're noticing brittle nails that break easily or dry, flaky skin that just won't quit, it might be time to up your protein intake. Protein provides the building blocks for collagen and keratin, which are essential for strong nails, healthy skin, and vibrant hair. Hair loss and thinning. Can protein deficiency be the cause? Hair loss is a common concern, and while there are many potential causes, protein deficiency shouldn't be overlooked. Hair follicles are primarily made of protein, and when your body isn't getting enough, it can lead to hair thinning, breakage, and even hair loss. If you're noticing more hair in your brush than usual, it's worth considering your protein intake. Liver health, the silent impact of protein deficiency. Our liver is a vital organ responsible for filtering toxins and processing nutrients. Protein plays a crucial role in these processes, and a deficiency can put extra stress on your liver. Studies have shown a link between low protein intake and fatty liver disease, a condition where fat builds up in the liver. Maintaining adequate protein intake is essential for supporting your liver's health and function. Weak bones. The importance of protein for bone health. We all know calcium is essential for strong bones, but did you know protein plays a vital role too? Protein helps our bodies absorb calcium more effectively and is crucial for collagen production, which provides structure and strength to our bones. Low protein intake can weaken bones and increase the risk of fractures, especially as we age. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Protein could be the missing link. Protein is involved in the production of serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate our sleep-wake cycle. Consuming enough protein throughout the day can help promote deeper, more restful sleep. Try incorporating a protein-rich snack a few hours before bedtime to see if it makes a difference. Protein plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune system. When you're deficient in protein, your body may not be able to produce enough antibodies to fight off infections effectively. This can leave you more susceptible to colds, flus, and other illnesses. Additionally, low protein intake can contribute to anemia, which can cause fatigue and headaches. Edema, characterized by swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet, can be a sign of protein deficiency. Protein helps regulate fluid balance in the body, and when levels are low, fluid can build up in tissues, leading to swelling. If you're experiencing persistent edema, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause. Our brains rely on a steady supply of nutrients, including protein, to function optimally. Protein provides the building blocks for neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in our brains that affect mood, focus, and cognitive function. When we don't consume enough protein, it can lead to brain fog, difficulty concentrating, mood swings, and even anxiety. So there you have it. The top 10 signs of protein deficiency you shouldn't ignore. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. From muscle weakness and hair loss to brain fog and weakened immunity, the impact of inadequate protein intake can be significant. By making simple dietary changes, you can address these issues effectively. Ensure you're consuming enough protein-rich foods, such as lean meats, fish, beans, nuts, and dairy products. By including a variety of these foods in your meals, you can support your overall health and well-being. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine your individual protein needs. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health tips and nutritional advice. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.